Dr. Stephanie Paulsell and Ms. Vanessa Zoltan, we are so excited that you came to lecture in our series today on imagination, creativity, and joy. And I guess I just want to start this interview by asking, it's so much going on in the world with our young people. I mean, you see everything happening in the country, and we're talking about joy. What do you think? How can we talk about joy with our adolescents during a time like this?
It's a great question. It's a really interesting time to think about adolescence and joy because our young people are really leading the way and expressing their dissatisfaction with the way things are in the world right now, from the young people who are really leading in Black Lives Matter to the young people from the Parkland High School who have banded together with kids who have grown up in neighborhoods that have long been plagued by gun violence to say we've had enough, we've had it. They are the ones who are leading the way and expressing dissatisfaction. And I think the forces that have a vested interest in silencing their voices often do it by criticizing the joy that they express, when they see kids cracking jokes on social media or, singing along to the Hamilton soundtrack as they drive together to Tallahassee to lobby their legislators for common sense gun measures. I've seen some people saying, why all the joy? I thought you were supposed to be so traumatized by this experience. But I think what these kids are showing is something that we see in the Bible, we see in the Psalms. The joy in the Psalms often comes after the word but or and yet, that things are not good and yet I will rejoice in you. Weeping may persist for the night, but joy comes in the morning. And I think the kids who, in the midst of really being terrorized in their own schools, in their own neighborhoods, but who can still laugh until it hurts with their friends, are saying, like the psalmist, I have not been destroyed by this. I can still feel joy.